Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Under the hood we have a 1.5-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in red, looks great, got that Chevrolet badging up front with your projector style headlights right there. And coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. You also have your heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the LT badging, the Chevrolet and the Malibu as well. You can open it up just right here. Lots of room back here as well. Looks fantastic. You can fold those seats forward with those guys right there as well if you did need to. And then you can also fold this guy up and you got your spare tire just underneath there if you did ever need it. Okay, we have our keys here. We got 2 presses to lock all the doors, 2 presses to unlock them all. Remote start. You also have the open up the back and the panic button there. But let's unlock it. Let's take a look. You also got the button here that does lock or unlock it for you. And on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here and here with the big chrome accenting handle here and some storage right down there. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. Look, they feel great. You have the controls over the seats, so backward, forward, and the tilt and the lumbar support there as well. And then over here we do have the controls over the lights. So we have our in-cabin light control here, as well as our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beam. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals and high beams. Push to start, foot on the brake, press the button, starts right out for us. In the center here does have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. It's also telling us to drive with care because there might be ice on the road. Then you can change that around a little bit, so you got your speedometer there and how many kilometers we have, 45,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to the info, audio, phone, navigation, options, and all sorts of different guys in there as well. You can switch around to like your trip A and B, then you also have your fuel range, oil life, your tire pressure, fuel economy, all those guys. Then that is control from right here with your voice recognition and buttons for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Then over here we do have the control over our windshield wipers, and around the back of the steering wheel you got your volume up and down as well as your source changer. Then in the center you do have your touchscreen display, so it looks great. You got your audio here, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you got your phone options, projection, OnStar, you got your settings, text, all sorts of different guys in there. It does also have the Wi-Fi in it if you do have that hooked up. Then down here we do have the skip. You got your power with the volume up and down, the other skip, your back button, and your hazard lights there. When you are in reverse, you got that backup camera keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we do have the power up and down for the climate control. You have your defrosts here, as well as where it's going to blow out of, your AC and circulation, hazard lights, and then your temperature there. You got some storage right here, traction control right here, gear shift is right here. Then you do have your cup holders, as well as you got your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there, and you got a nice little place to put your phone right there. Then you do also have some storage right here for your glove box, and up top you do have your OnStar button, as well as your light control. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, handle, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Very comfortable, very spacious. You do have you have this guy here that is a armrest if you didn't have the person sitting in the middle. It does seat 5 people all together, as well. You got a USB plug-in just down there. There's our 1.5-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.